Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we'll be doing my first cash stuffing of 2024. Hi everyone, I'm so sorry for this very late video, but I finally got my binders together for my regular cash stuffing. It's not for the wedding. So this is my regular 100 envelope challenge for my short and long term envelopes and then my travel binders. So yeah, this is just something new for 2024, different envelopes for this year compared to last year. And then if you've been following me and watching me for this year, I've been mainly cash stuffing my wedding binder, but here's my regular binders. I finally got it together. Sorry, I've just been super busy with wedding stuff, but now that I have everything together, we can finally cash stuff my first video at the end of March. It's almost April, but you know, I'm not going to be too hard on myself because I've been working on a lot of wedding things, but you know, time as always goes by so quickly. So nonetheless, let's get started with the cash stuffing. So today we'll be cash stuffing a total of $610, and on the side I have my little breakdown. So it's going to be from my short and long term envelopes to my travel binder and then 100 envelope binder. So let's go ahead and count out the cash. So we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 10. So $610 altogether. So I was finally able to go to the ATM machine. Today is actually a holiday for some of us in Hawaii. Today is Kuhio Day. It's a Hawaiian holiday, but not everybody has this holiday off, but I'm lucky enough to have the holiday off. So today I thought I would finally sit down and do a cash stuffing video. Earlier today I was working on my save the dates for the wedding, so I'll be showing you a little bit more on that if you follow me on Instagram. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So we will cash stuff my short and long term envelopes first, and here's my brand new binder. This is my Louis Vuitton binder, and I got it as a gift from my mom, dad, and Ryan to celebrate my first year in business. So they were so nice and generous to get me this binder. I love it. It's very sturdy, and it's something that I can keep forever. So later on I will try and get it stamped with my initials, but yeah, I love everything about this binder. It's so pretty. Okay, so the first envelope we'll be cash stuffing is emergency. Emergency will be getting $40. And this time I'm using zipper envelopes. Okay, so we have $40. So altogether, 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390. So $390 for emergency. And then later on after, I will be writing in the budget trackers, updating the amount. Okay, so next is car expenses. Car expenses will be getting a total of $40. Sorry for the siren in the background, but here we go. We have 20, 40, 60. Okay, $60 for car expenses. Next we have parents, and parents will be getting $100 today. Okay, so I'll be adding $100 all together. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 590, and 610. So 610 for parents. Next is holidays. Holidays will be getting a total of $60. So we have 20, 40, 60. And lastly, self-care will be getting $20. So 20. Alright, so that is it for my short and long-term envelopes. Next we'll be cash stuffing my travel binder. So here's a new travel bundle. And then you can find this on my website, stufflikelist.com, and I'll list it in the description box below. But I just love the colors, how bright it is. So it's travel, and then first envelope is airfare. So airfare will be getting $60. So we have 20, 40, 60. So $60 for airfare. Okay. And next is stay. Stay will be getting $40. So this is basically lodging when you're traveling. Okay, can you see that? All right, so stay will be getting $40. Okay, next is ride. Ride will be getting $20. Okay. Next is food. Food will be getting $40. 40. Shopping will be getting $40. All right, there we have it. So that completes my cash stuffing for my travel binder. And lastly, we have my 100 envelope savings challenge. So here's my new binder. I love it. It's so smooth. And then it's so big. And then inside we have the little dividers. I put on the vinyl. Let me know if you're interested in this. Maybe this is an idea. If you're interested, then maybe I can bring this into my shop. But we'll be cash stuffing 5 envelopes for this challenge. So the first one is $1. So it's gonna go in number 1. There we go. Okay, and then next is number 3. You see that number 3 is down here. So 1, 2, 3. Oops. $3. Let's see, would be better if I do it like this. There you go. So that's number 3. Next we'll be cash stuffing number 6. So 5 and 6. There you go. And then we're gonna go to number 40. Here we go, 40. So 20, 40. Okay, we'll be putting it right in here. Okay, there we go. And lastly, the last envelope, I'll be cash stuffing $100. So right here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81. So 100. And there we go. 100. And now I have my little tracker here. So I'm going to go ahead and color in my little tracker sheet. So let's see. Let's go with this pink color. So we did number 1. Let me see this. Maybe I'll do it here. So I'm just going to color in number 1. Then we did number 3. Then we did number 6. Number 40. And then number 100. Right, perfect. So we did 5 altogether. Can you guys see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 envelopes. So good start. I'm just gonna let this kind of dry. There you go. And then I have a huge slot in here, and I'm just gonna put it in there. Hopefully it doesn't smear. Yep, that's perfect. All right. So that's the end of my cash stuffing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know it's been a long time coming, but hopefully I'll keep up with these videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.